In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Facebook Marketplace, a fantastic tool for buying and selling items in your local area. This guide will walk you through the steps to ensure you get the most out of your marketplace experience. Let's start with the very first step. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Facebook Marketplace and hit enter. Among the search results, you'll find a link to access the marketplace. Click that link, which will take you directly to the main Facebook Marketplace page. If you're already logged into your Facebook account, you'll land right where you need to be. Otherwise, go ahead and log in, as being logged in is crucial for a smooth buying or selling experience. Once you're on the Facebook Marketplace, you're ready to explore. You can find an incredible variety of items, from everyday household goods to more unique finds, all posted by people in your local community. The search bar at the top of the page is your gateway to discovering great deals. If you have a specific item in mind, just type it in. If you're in the mood to browse, you can explore different categories such as electronics, furniture, clothing, and more. The filter options allow you to narrow down results by price, location, or even item condition to better tailor your search. After you've found something that catches your eye, the next step is to learn more about it. Simply click on the product listing. You'll be taken to a detailed page about the item. Here you can find photos, a description provided by the seller, and any additional details they've shared. Reviewing this information helps you decide if the item is right for you. When you've decided you're interested in the item, it's time to reach out to the seller. On the item's detail page, you'll find an option to message the seller. Clicking this opens a chat window where you can start a conversation. This is a great opportunity to ask questions about the item, negotiate the price if need be, or arrange payment and delivery methods. Remember to be polite and professional. It increases your chances of having a positive transaction. That concludes our guide on using Facebook Marketplace. By following these steps, you're well on your way to finding wonderful items or selling your own with ease. Be sure to stay smart and safe during transactions, meet in public places when possible, and trust your instincts. Happy buying and selling.